Okay. Are you from Odisha and you want free online classes, free online value-based classes, free online classes in Odia? Then yes, you are at the right place, right time and right platform. For the first time in Odisha, a YouTube channel that is JBS Odia Blogs is going to provide you every video, every single video for free. Every classes is for free. So get ready to get a knowledge, to share knowledge, to get knowledge in the field of digital marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, everything. We people gonna explain you what is YouTube, how to start YouTube, how to earn money in YouTube, how to edit your YouTube videos. Every fundamental question you have in your mind, we people gonna explain. We people gonna share you knowledge. So please subscribe our channel, JBS Odia Blogs, to get everything for the free. So this is the first time we want your support, and please support us, gain our knowledge, and thank you. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. JBS Odia Blogs.
Bye.